Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome back to Daydreamer's Barn. It's me, Jess, and
Chris.
you already know. But today we're going to a peony farm, and we're going to go and look for a footpath that we can go and explore. So if you think that's cool and you would like to come with us, come along. I wanted to thank everybody for all of the love that you give us. You know, we greatly appreciate it. So if you're new here, thanks for watching. If you're one of our trustees, you know, our true Daydreamer's Barn, you know, have been with us for a while, also thank you so very much. We appreciate it. So yeah, so come along. On the road. Jelly of these people's greenhouses. Like, I'm really jealous.
The greenhouses? Oh,
yeah.
The green. I thought you mean green in like color.
No. I don't necessarily want a greenhouse.
That's why I was confused.
But, you know, it is what it is. Right now we're heading to the peony farm. We're gonna go check that out. It is a beautiful day. This week has been, well, overcast and rainy. Uh-oh, I said it, rainy. But I'm so thankful for days like this.
Yeah, it's really nice when it's on when you got something planned already.
Yeah. I think for me, what I enjoy is the fact that we have, what is it called? We're so used to like all 4 seasons, like the snow and stuff like that from Minot,
right.
And all, you know, from the couple of years we were up there, we were so used to that. So it makes us appreciate like the nice summer days that we do get. And I think that Michigan has also, you know, will also teach us to, you know, just enjoy the time that you have. Oh, are we maybe in the road a little bit, Miss Ma'am? It's okay. Oh, where are we going?
Wherever the road takes us.
Right. Once we get close, I'm gonna have to have you help you navigate.
Yeah.
Because GPS
didn't take us directly into it.
Yeah, did not take us into it. Oh, someone's out walking. Apologies for the very bumpiness. Hopefully the sound is okay. Oh. Okay. Look how beautiful this is.
It is pretty nice. I wonder what's over there.
I don't know. Looks like deal. What is this?
I don't know. Something.
Open Studios. What is this? Is that like a church or something back there? I don't know. I don't know. Like every...
Got you some purple flowers.
Yeah.
Lots of purple flowers.
And people walking. Oh. deer out there.
Was there?
Yeah. Golly, this is gorgeous.
Yeah. It's like just the roads encapsulated too.
Yeah.
There's fields on either side.
Turning left or right?
Left.
It is just so cool. Going down. Is that like a little squirrel? Irping him? Aping him?
Something like that. I didn't see the sign.
Let me know when you want me to stop recording, so...
We can make it all the way in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
There's a murder. A lot of stuff blooming now.
There is. Oh, it just feels... It just makes me happy. Our garden is growing.
It is.
Is anybody else's gardens growing? And what do you already, you know, see popping up and starting to grow in your gardens? I'd love to hear about it. Because my carrots are doing really well.
Carrots doing well. Lavender's doing really good.
Lavender, it's coming back, which is fantastic. I was a little concerned because it's in a raised bed. I was kind of concerned that it was going to, you know, it was just going to die back.
And it wasn't going to take as well.
But no, it's been extremely nice.
A lot of people out for walks today.
Yeah, there is, which is nice. I'm very thankful to be able to, you know, see everybody out enjoying this beautiful weather.
Yeah, definitely got to enjoy it while you can.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Got another pheasant. Oh, there you go.
Oh, wow. Pheasant. Wonder if this goes to an estate
I say it makes you wonder what's on the other side of the wall.
that the pheasant just ran off to.
I just can't see over it.
Yeah. I want to say thank you to everybody that has been around and supported our channel. You guys, you all have truly filled my heart and our family's heart with so much joy and appreciation for all the love and support that you guys pour into us. It is truly a blessing to have you all. Well, see, I'm glad you didn't. It's like watery over there.
Was it?
Yeah. So just mentally prepare yourself. But I just wanted to say thank you guys. You know, we truly appreciate every bit of the support and love. Fresh, local, seasonal.
Equals delicious.
Yes.
I agree with that.
I do too.
Oh, bunny.
A bunny! Or a hare.
Hare. You want to stop now then? Or you want to tell them?
Are we close? So I will pick this back up when we are at the farm. Pretty. I freaking love these.
You right?
This is when you want to start picking it.
Oh, I know what thing.
So are the other ones too late? Or are they gonna?
So these are
just
too late.
For the field itself.
Yeah. So like these are just pretty. So this is just almost fully open. And then this will be what it is. The next stage, like this, and then like that. And then like fully closed, you see? There's one that's fully closed. Oh, it's just so cool. These flowers are just so pretty. Yes. But this is, you know, it wasn't the
Old fashioned or old faithful.
Old Faithful. They were, so that was like 7 something for both of us to come out here.
Yeah.
It's not, you know.
A nice place for a photo shoot or something.
Yeah, really nice place for a photo shoot. And just to be able to be outside on a gorgeous day. Can't complain.
Yeah.
I'm like in heaven. Yeah, this is just wonderful. See, all of these are starting. So when they get into like a marshmallow stage is when you want to pick them, so they have like the longest base life.
Gotcha.
So cool. It is so cool. Okay, you can put it down. All of the happy birds and people just having a blast. It is so pretty. Just walking in the fields of flowers. Don't mind me. Me and my happy place. Look at this. It's just filled with beautiful flowers. Yep. 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 Look. Look. Absolutely beautiful. Now we're gonna go and check out the food. So sorry, I'm taking a video. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
I won't get you guys in it. Okay.
Feel free.
I just don't want to get like trying to make sure people are aware.
You have to be careful these days, don't you?
Oh, this is wonderful.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we did not get to the walking path because we spent more time at the flower farm and driving around than we were anticipating. But man, oh man, did we have a great time. As always, we really appreciate you coming along with us. Have a great day. Thank you for all of the love and support from each and every one of you. We really appreciate it. As always, be good, make good choices, and be kind to someone today. Bye, y'all. Mwah.
I've been dreaming all in